Well, hello everybody. Today we're going to make mustard fried chicken, and I'm my camera person today, so I pretty much have to do it on my own. I'm going to start off. I have some chicken thighs here, and the seasonings I'm going to use, I have some chicken seasoning, Slap Your Mama, my black pepper, a little bit of paprika, some parsley flakes, this wonderful seasoned salt, a little bit of garlic powder, and I may put just a dash of red pepper. I don't have any cayenne pepper, so I'm kind of going to have to substitute. And I'm using Slap Your Mama because I think it has a little bit of onion in it, or maybe it's the chicken flavoring that has a little bit of onion because I do not have onion seasoning. And of course, I have my nicely clean kitchen. That's very, very important. Now I have added on my mustard, a little bit of my garlic powder. You have to season it to your own taste. Have some pepper here. I really have to get me a tripod. I don't exactly have one of those. I hope you're being safe during COVID-19. Wear your mask, whether you make them or wear a scarf. Make sure you're wearing your gloves. I really don't think a lot of people are taking this seriously. And the numbers are continuously going up. And life can't get back to normal if it continues. I personally have been working from home, and I got to say that I enjoy it. Working from home has really given me a break from some of, the drama that you experience at work, the racism, sexism, jealousy that usually happens when you're working with a bunch of women. I hate to say that, but that's usually what happens. Now I'm going to get some more mustard on this side. There are some people who use gloves. I didn't have any exactly cooking gloves to wear today, so I'm going to wash my hands again. And very, very important while you're in the kitchen, having no dishes, having a clean floor, covering up your head. I'm just really, really particular about how clean my kitchen and house is when I'm preparing food. Because when I go to restaurants, if it's not a clean kitchen, I don't want any of your food. But anyway, I hear my grease back there heating up. So I'm going to go a little bit faster. Some people put Texas Pete. I don't think I have any. I usually have hot sauce sometime, but I don't have any today. Here's some of my seasoning salt. Last night I had fried pork chops. I think turned out pretty well. My friend, he really likes a lot of seasoning on his food, but for me, it's too much salt, and we really have to watch our salt intake if you're part of the African American, and I didn't mean to cough, African American population or a minority. You really have to watch your salt intake. I put my seasoning in a bag, and my flour is House of Autry. And I'm also going to put some seasoning within my flour, and I'm going to batter this up. As you can see, I've already started adding my chicken, my coated chicken, floured chicken into the hot grease. I have my chicken here in the bag, and I'm just going to shake it, flour it up really well, and put it into my grease. I also tend to put some more seasoning into this House of Autry flour. I already have my chicken here in the grease, And you know when the chicken is done, when it floats to the top. I gotta do some cleanup here. Still have one more piece of chicken, so I'm gonna set this in the refrigerator till I have more room in my grease. And now I'm going to clean up here because, as I said before, good cooks keep clean floors, clean countertops, and cover your head with a scarf and trim your nails. Can I get a witness? Trim your nails, clean your hands. God bless you. Every now and then you have to check your chicken and make sure that it's frying nicely. In a few minutes, I'm going to turn this over. The mustard may also change the color of your grease, but that's okay. And as I said, I'm going to clean up here. I've already put my seasonings away. I'm getting ready to wash this dish. I'm not doing too much cooking today. I already have some pinto beans that I had from the other day, and I'm going to add that with my meal. Well, I've turned my chicken over. My cousin tells me that the mustard really seals in the flavor. So that's the way I like my food, with a lot of flavor. I may do some rice or maybe some stewed potatoes to go along with this. Or I just may have the chicken and the pinto beans because I don't really feel like doing too much today. I really cooked a lot last week with some turkey wings, pinto beans, and some other things I had along with it. All right, y'all take care.